Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect chicken tikka masala. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's perfect with either naan or rice. Let's get it. So we're going to start off with a bowl of chicken that we're going to marinate with some plain Greek yogurt, some turmeric, some red chili powder, ground coriander, some garam masala, a little bit of salt, some black pepper, freshly ground ginger paste, garlic paste, and lastly, some lemon juice. And just mix that all up. The yogurt is really a great tenderizer that's going to keep the chicken soft, tender, and juicy throughout the cooking process. And the spices are going to penetrate into the chicken while it marinates and infuse it with flavor. That's well incorporated, and I'm just going to marinate this in the fridge for about 3 hours, but anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight gets the job done. Once my chicken is well marinated, I just want to brown it off on both sides. It's about 80% cooked through now, and I'm just going to take it off the heat and set it aside to make the sauce, and then put it back in the sauce where it's going to finish cooking up. In the same pan here, oil this baby up a little bit more, and we're about to go to Flavor Town. Start with your aromatics. I'm going to add in some roughly chopped onions, some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and then some green chilies. And cook this down a bit until the onions start to turn translucent, and let's hit it with our spices. Some turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, some garam masala, cumin, black pepper, salt, and lastly, some sugar. I'm just going to add in some water to help everything cook through, and once the onions start to turn translucent, I'm going to add in the tomatoes. If you want to know the exact measurements or where to get any of the spices, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe so you can make this at home too. While you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more flavorful recipes. Okay, so the tomatoes looked cooked, so I'm just going to puree this in my blender up into a nice smooth sauce. Alright, let's bring this all together. Reintroduce my chicken back into the pan and add in our pureed sauce. And it was at this moment I realized maybe I should turn on the light. And I'm just going to let the chicken finish cooking up in the sauce and let the sauce kind of simmer and reduce down while it thickens up. Y'all, I can't even begin to tell you how good this tastes. It achieves the perfect bliss point of flavors. The bold Indian spices, the warmth of the garam masala, the coriander, the cumin, the chili powder is wholly rounded off by this cooling heavy cream and the fattiness of the yogurt. The sharpness of the red chili powder is mouth-wateringly complemented by the sweetness of that sugar that makes you salivate mid-chew. The acidity of the crushed tomatoes is brutally cut off by the bitterness of British colonization that lays claims to the origins of this dish. If this is the dish that represents India to the world, I'm not mad. It's an Indian flag on a plate. It's 5,000 years of history deliciously bastardized into a reduced tomato and spice sauce. It's tasty as hell. It's chicken tikka masala. Cheers.